Hello friends, welcome to Exclusive Stuff. Animals are reliable, many full of love, true in their affections, predictable in their actions, grateful and loyal. Difficult standards for people to live up to. Today, in this video we going to see 50 interesting facts about animals. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel, your support is important to us. African bush elephants are the largest living terrestrial animals, measures 3.3 meters tall at animals, measures 3.3 meters tall at the shoulders and weigh 5.5 tons on an average. Dromedary camels live in the Sahara Desert and the Middle East have one hump, and Bactrian camels live in Central Asia have two humps. The white rhinoceros is the second biggest land mammal in the world behind the African elephant. A specimen weighed about 3,600 kilograms of 4.4 meters long. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight and can be found almost anywhere in the world except the polar regions and extreme deserts. The male Kori bustard is the heaviest flying bird, can be more than twice as heavy as the female, up to 20 kilograms. A male attempt to breed with as many females as possible and then take no part in the raising of the young. The Haast's eagle is an extinct species of eagle that once lived in New Zealand, was the largest eagle known to have existed. Female eagles were significantly larger than males, weighed about 14 kilograms. At more than 18 billion, domestic chickens dominates Earth by numbers at any point of time. Peregrine falcon, with his superb eyesight, can spot a pigeon at a range of more than 8 kilometers. Sharks and other cartilaginous fish have skeletons made of cartilage and connective tissue, which is about half the normal density of bone. This reduces the skeleton's weight and saves energy. Manta rays are large eagle rays, can jump up to 3 meters out of the sea and flap their fins like wings as they fly. Porpoises are related to whales and dolphins, live in all oceans and mostly near the shore. They use echolocation to locate its prey fish, squid, and crustaceans and to coordinate with others. Needlefish sometimes leap out of water and accidentally stab fishermen with their sharp snouts. An angry hippo can outrun a human at about 80 kilometers per hour for up to 200 meters and also can outswim a human. Most bears have 42 teeth, which is about 10 more than we have. A bear's canines can reach 1.5 inch long, while a human's are less than a half inch long. Male lions with a mass of up to 250 kilograms can drag along a 300 to 350 kilograms zebra. It would take at least 4 to 6 men to do this. Gorillas, chimpanzees, bonobos, orangutans and humans are apes, but not monkeys. The sand pygmy shark, a deep-sea shark, is one of the smallest at only about 7 to 8 inches, while the whale shark is the largest fish, at about 50 feet in length. Barrel eyes, also known as spookfish, has a see-through head, with its tubular eyes balls buried deep inside it. It looks through its own head to see. Starfish turn their stomach inside out and wrap it around their food to eat. The tiger shark is an indiscriminate eater that will swallow anything it finds, including garbage, has earned it the nickname wastebasket of the sea. Mayfly are the aquatic insects have the shortest lifespan known, with their life expectancy ranging from just a half an hour to 1 day, depending on their species. In fact, their sole purpose in life is to hatch and reproduce. Praying mantis can turn their heads 180 degrees to scan their surroundings with 2 large compound eyes and 3 other simple eyes located between them. A large mantis can catch, kill, and eat a mouse. Maggots, the larvae of flies, are used by the anglers to catch fish and even to help clean human wounds where they eat the dead tissue around, leaving the live ones. Male mosquitoes do not bite human but feeds on flower nectar. Snails are one of the slowest creature, move at a speed of 1 millimeter per second. While moving, they leave behind a trail of slime, a lubricant they produce to allow them to easily move across any type of terrain without injuring its body. The male Darwin's frog swallows the eggs and keeps them in his throat until they hatch, then pop out from his mouth. The Australian trumpet or false trumpet is a species of extremely large sea snail, measuring up to 90 cm long and weighing up to 18 kilograms. It is the largest extant snail species and the largest gastropod in the world. All spiders are carnivores and the baby spiders are called spiderlings. Gabon viper is one of the longest snake at about 2 meters long and also the world's heaviest viper, weigh up to 11 kilograms. It has the longest fangs of up to 5 centimeters and the highest venom yield of any venomous snake. African rock python, a large, non-venomous snake at about 6 meters long, was once seen to swallow an entire 60 kilograms impala, antelope, whole. A snake's eyes are covered with a transparent scale that is replaced when the snake sheds its skin. Snakes stop eating for about 2 weeks before they sheds its skin. Although snakes have nostrils, they also use their tongues to pick up the scent of nearby prey or predators. Manatees, sometimes known as sea cows, are very gassy, which makes the marine mammals float, but heavy bones help them stay underwater. The only living animal have skull but no vertebral column is the eel-shaped hagfish. A single fish can turn a whole bucket of water into slime in minutes by its horrible mucus. The oily fish herring has been called the silver of the sea in Europe, and its trade has been so significant to many countries that it has been regarded as the most commercially important fishery in history since 3000 BC. The collective noun for walruses is mess, for kittens is kindle, and for leopards is leap. Koalas are Australian mammals, spend 18 hours a day sleeping, and in rest of the time they feed on the leaves of eucalyptus trees. Baboons are able to acquire orthographic, writing, processing skills, which form part of the ability to read. When playing with female puppies, male puppies will often let them win, even if they have a physical advantage. Hares and jackrabbits are swift animals, can run up to 64 kilometers per hour and can leap up to 3 meters at a time. Pelicans can hold 11 liters of water in their bills, and the young pelicans feed by sticking their bills into their parents' throats to retrieve food. Sulfur-crested cockatoos are very long-lived and can live up to 80 years in captivity. But they only live to about 20 to 40 years in the wild. Among thousands of penguins, penguin parents and their chicks can always recognize each other's unique vocalizations. The Japanese onagadori evolved from the common domestic chicken, achieved tail lengths from 12 to 27 feet. The squid's complex brain, which is tiny compared to its body, is shaped like a donut. Strangely enough, its esophagus runs through the donut hole in the middle, which makes grinding up food into tiny bits an evolutionary priority. The leafy sea dragon, popularly known as leafys, is one of the weirdest looking creatures in the world. Its body is much like that of a normal seahorse but has branches growing out of its sides. When bright blue rings suddenly appear all over a blue-ringed octopus, it is sure that it is ready for a deadly bite. A box jellyfish has 24 eyes, 20 simple eyes and 4 compound eyes. Geckos' specialized feet have hairy toes that can attach to and peel away from a wall or other vertical surface in just a few thousandths of a second. This built-in climbing gear lets geckos run 15 body lengths up a vertical surface in just 1 second. The Mexican beaded lizard and Gila monster of North America are the world's only poisonous lizards, but their bite is rarely fatal to humans. Hope you saw many new interesting facts in this video. Clearly, animals know more than we think, and think a great deal more than we know. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video. Thanks for your support. See you in the next video.